close. I was walking fearlessly, but now I fly. I hear your voice deep in the water. With you everything is worth